for clicking on my video. My name is Nchilling, aka Coco, aka Kitchen Adventures. Oh shit. So thank you all so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for the likes and for the comments. I see them and they are all encouraging. If you are a new subscriber or a returning subscriber and you are here, thank you, welcome. So a friend of mine dared me to show my face on my channel. He said my videos will be clickable, more clickable if people see my face, if they can attach a face to, yeah, whatever, research has shown that, blah 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 blah, and I know. It's just that I'm camera shy and I've been running away from the camera. So yes, this is me daring myself to do this. So yes, thank you my friend for making me do this. So if you're a returning subscriber or a new subscriber, please ensure to like the video, comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and then share this video to your friends if you like the video. Give me a thumbs down if you don't, and let me know what I can do to improve on my videos. So thank you all for your subscription. Thank you. I hope you keep coming back to my channel and giving me reasons to keep doing this stuff. So in this video I'll be making fishermansoup. So stay tuned and make sure you create this recipe and let me know what you like and what you don't like in my video. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere, don't move an inch from that screen. Sit down and enjoy. Ow! Hi there. So yeah, this is thoroughly washed catfish. This is washed uziza leaves as well. Here we have uziza seeds. I just want to show you what the seeds look like because I blended them with the crayfish. You can find black dots all over there. That's because there's uziza seeds in there with the crayfish. And this is groundnut, yellow pepper and onion. And here we have the groundnut of 4. I will use this as my thickener instead of cocoyam that I used in my last soup, or yam as other people do. These are bouillon cubes. Here we have thoroughly washed snails. They're quite big and not so big, but yeah. Here I have thoroughly washed shrimps. And of course, periwinkles. I don't cook without periwinkles because I'm a rivers baby. Yeah, so I will just prep the leaves, cut them, and then we'll go straight into the cooking. Okay, so in a pot, bring some water to boil, and after that you add your snails, washed snails, and washed shrimps as well. So if you have other kinds of seafood, you can add them at this point. So I let this cook for about 3-5 minutes, and then come back and add more ingredients again. After 5 minutes, I added my washed periwinkles, my grounded crayfish and uziza seeds, as well as my grounded onion and yellow pepper. And I'm adding bouillon cubes here. And I'm adding about 4 teaspoons of grounded of 4. And this is the thickener that I talked about earlier. So stir all that together to combine. And let this cook for about 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, the soup should start to thicken. You can see that the liquid looks thicker than before. Yeah. I added a teaspoon of salt. That's all the salt I use for this pot of soup. You don't need too much salt in your soup. Reduce your salt intake. Okay, so this is me stirring everything to combine thoroughly. Now that I added 1/3 cup of palm oil, Again, stir to combine and let this cook for 1 minute, just 1 minute. You don't need it to overcook because you still have to add the fresh catfish. So after about 1 minute, this is me opening my pot and adding the washed catfish into the pot. Stirring very gently, or not. This is not gently, but yeah, you can be more gentle than myself here. So what I did here was to scoop some of the liquid and I poured on top of the catfish just so it makes it soak up the liquid faster. So at this point you can also adjust your seasoning if you wish to do so and let it cook for about 4 minutes. And after that you want to add your washed xoxo seed leaves, sorry, and you stir gently again. This is not a gentle stir, but yeah, stir gently if you wish to. Yeah, and that's about it.